Welcome back to another vlog, guys. So, kakatapos ko lang maligo. And I have to prepare because I'll be going to Indang today. Sabay kami ng kapatid ni Mark. So, we're gonna take an Uber to Alabang Town Center. And then from there, sundin kami ni Mark. I was supposed to wear contact lenses. Pero since sobrang antok pa ako, I'm gonna skip that. Kasi nga, diba, kapag antok ka tapos ng contact lens ka, masakit sa eyeballs. This is all the makeup that I packed for the weekend. So, this is perfect for an everyday natural look lang. Wala masyadong OA na makeup. Pero yan, I got the K Palette, yung ginawa ko ng video, K Palette Eye Pencil. So, super perfect yan kasi pwede na siya mag-double up as something that you can use for a smoky eye. Kaya, yun ang makeup ko. And then, I already packed the gabi. I have here the weekend bag that I got from Fifth Rack. Super perfect. It fits everything that I need for about 3 days. After that, meron din ako nito, laptop bag, of course. And then, this is my carry-on, which I always use. So, maglagay lang ako ng kilay. What I downloaded, guys. Oh my gosh, meron akong Netflix sa phone ko. I've heard a lot of good things about this. Yung Orange is the New Black. Kakatapos ko lang, episode 1. Kakatapos ko lang. So, oh my gosh, feel ko ma-addict na naman ako dyan. Nakakaloka. So, pag Netflix kasi, first month mo is for free, and then yung succeeding months may bayad na. So, tignan ko kung okay ito kasi parang saya-saya. Fun. Anyway, doing my makeup right now. Having lunch here at Hana Maruken ATC. Ayun ang itsura ng cute. Doon kami kumain before. Kasama si Alice's. Yan. Order kami yummy. Gusto ko itry ito. Arakawa Abura Soba. Gyoza. Yummy. And may service tea sila. Here's what I ordered, guys. Yum. Mukhang masarap. Yes. Spicy yan? Spicy. Yes. Okay. Kain namin. Nilagayan ng bill, guys. Ang cute. Nag-drive-thru kami ng Starbucks.
Papaload tayo?
Ay, shucks. May card ako, darling. Wait. Yan, si Mark may in-order na parang, secret recipe.
Lakas na hangin sa labas.
Yummy. Look at this, guys. Laki na purifier. Love it. Hi, I'm Kirby. Hi, I'm Kirby Barbie. I'm Kirby Barbie. Hi. Kinakagat si Axel. Ginag-groom niya. How sweet. How sweet. How very sweet. Nakita mo yan, B? Uy. Cute.
Bakit naman?
Oh, cutie. Gandahan. Paddle, baby. Okay lang, video na lang. Paddle. Ang cute. Cutie, baby. It's time to use the nose pack on Mark. Pakita natin sa kanila. Let it sit for 20 minutes. basa hanggat sa mga tuyo na. Yay! Cute. Anyway, feel ko madami makukuha kay Mark kasi hindi siya nag-nose pack. Ako actually, malinis na yung nose ko kasi ilang araw ako nag-nose pack. So, pack na pack. Episode 3 na ako ng Orange is the New Black. I love it so much. As in, di magugustuhan mo siya. Ewan ko, nagustuhan ko sobra. Kasi nga, sobrang ganda-ganda ako sa lead character. I love her. Anyway, very short vlog for today. That's it for the vlog today, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye!